Hey everybody, in this video I'd like to introduce you to Kristina Romero as one of the guest instructors who's teaching inside the WP Project Managers Academy. Kristina is the owner of WP Care Market. She owns her own agency and she has created tons of fabulous training on care plans, how to craft them, how to manage them. It's really great stuff. So here's Kristina to tell you a little bit more about herself, and don't be surprised if you might recognize her face.
Hi, I'm Kristina Romero, owner of WP Care Market, as well as my own web agency, Care Media and Designs. And I'm really excited to announce that I will be offering some of my website care plan training inside the WP Project Managers Academy with the Advanced Roadmap. I am thrilled to be doing this because it's my favorite thing to talk about, giving freelancers and agencies the tools that they need to establish profitable website care plans in their business. I didn't always start out as someone running a website agency. I was an actress for 10 years in Hollywood, starting at the age 17. I was a twice Emmy-nominated actress on a soap opera called As the World Turns, starred in a few movies, and then quickly realized that there is nothing more rewarding than running your own business. And when I started creating websites, I realized this was exactly what I was meant to do. And turn around and helping people learn what I learned as I crafted my own web business, transitioning from that career into this new one. So since that time, I've been running an agency with some very exciting celebrity clients and small businesses. I learned that the secret to doing this well was to have website care plans, and developed processes and techniques, learned a lot of lessons, and I crafted that training into what I have as WP Care Market, where we want to bridge the gap in conversation between the website owner and the website pro by giving everyone the tools they need to make those relationships thrive. I met Beth at the Recurring Revenue Retreat in Walt Disney World this past year. I heard about what she was doing with the WP Project Managers Academy, and I just think it's fantastic. Anytime we can turn around as website professionals, help others, give them the lessons that we've learned so they don't have to relearn them, so they don't have to be stuck or burdened, and enjoy what they're doing, is a great thing. So I am very excited to own the website care plan conversation in this advanced roadmap. Very excited to share some of the training that we have in our program, inside Beth's program. So I'm excited to see any of you going through this. And until that training, here's to your success.
I love how Kristina ends her talks with "Here's to your success." Now remember, the WP Project Managers Academy and access to the WordPress Project Management Roadmap 101 are all free, and the advanced program, where you can see Kristina's lesson as well as the lessons from the other experts, comes at a very affordable price. So I hope you'll check us out at wproadmaps.com/join us, and here's to your success, and I hope to see you inside the Academy.